Hi everyone. Sometime back I posted about London challenges. So kids have taken it very seriously. Daniel has already finished his challenges. He memorized the genealogy of Jesus Christ, that is Matthew chapter 1. He finished James chapter 1 and Psalm 61. Samuel has finished Psalm 119. That's the longest psalm. It has 176 verses. So he has finished that. He is ready to recite that. I told him that if he finishes it, I will put it in YouTube. So he is reciting that now. Samuel, are you ready?
Yes.
Which Bible version are you using? Can you show?
RSV CE version of the Bible.
Okay, so we have two prompters here, Ruth and Daniel. So if he is stuck, they will help him. So we can start.
Yes.
Ready?
Yes.
Start.
Blessed are those whose way is blameless, who walk in the law of the Lord. Blessed are those who keep his testimonies, who seek him with their whole heart, who also do no wrong but walk in his ways. You have commanded your precepts to be kept diligently, O that my ways may be steadfast in keeping your statutes. Then I shall not be put to shame, having my eyes fixed on all your commandments. I will praise you with an upright heart when I learn your righteous ordinances. I will observe your statutes, O forsake me not utterly. How can a young man keep his way pure by guarding it according to your word? With my whole heart I seek you. Let me not wander from your commandments. I have laid up your word in my heart, that I might not sin against you. Blessed are you, O Lord. Teach me your statutes. With my lips I declare all the ordinances of your mouth. In the way of your testimonies I delight as much as in all riches. I will meditate on your precepts and fix my eyes on your ways. I will delight in your statutes, I will not forget your word. Deal bountifully with your servant, that I may live and observe your word. Open my eyes, that I may behold wondrous things out of your law. I am a sojourner on earth, hide not your commandments from me. My soul is consumed with longing for your ordinances at all times. You rebuke the insolent accursed ones, who wander from your commandments. Take away from me thy scorn and contempt, for I have kept your testimonies. Even though princes sit plotting against me, your servant will meditate on your statutes. Your testimonies are my delight, they are my counselors. My soul clings to the dust. Revive me according to your word. When I told of my ways, you answered me. Teach me your statutes. Make me understand the way of your precepts. And I will meditate on your wondrous works. My soul melts away for sorrow. Revive me according to your word. Put false ways far from me and graciously teach me your law. I have chosen the way of faithfulness. I set your ordinances before me. I cling to your testimonies, O Lord. Let me not be put to shame. I run in the way of your commandments when you enlarge my understanding. Teach me, O Lord, the way of your statutes, and I will keep it to the end. Give me understanding, that I may keep your law and observe it with my whole heart. Lead me in the path of your commandments, for I delight in it. Incline my heart to your testimonies, and not to gain. Turn my eyes from looking at vanities, and give me life in your ways. Confirm to your servant your promise, which is for those who fear you. Turn away the reproach which I dread, for your ordinances are good. Behold, I long for your precepts, and your righteousness give me life. Let your mercy come to me, O Lord, your salvation according to your promise. Then shall I have an answer for those who taunt me, for I trust in your word. And take not the word of truth utterly out of my mouth, for my hope is in your ordinances. I will keep your law continually forever and ever. I shall walk at liberty, for I have sought your precepts. I will also speak of your testimonies before kings, and shall not be put to shame. For I find my delight in my commandments, which I love. I revere your commandments, which I love. I will meditate on your statutes. Remember your word to your servant, in which you have made me hope. This is my comfort in my affliction, that your promise gives me life. Godless men utterly deride me, but I do not turn away from your law. When I think of your ordinances from our fold, I take comfort, O Lord. Hot indignation seizes me because of the wicked who forsake your law. harms me because of the wicked who forsake your law. Your statutes have been my songs in the house of my pilgrimage. I remember your name in the night, O Lord, and keep your law. This blessing has fallen to me that I have kept your precepts. The Lord is my portion. I promise to keep your words. I entreat your favor with all my heart. Be gracious to me according to your promise. When I think of your ways, I turn my feet to your testimonies. I hasten and do not delay to keep your commandments. Though the cords of the wicked ensnare me, yes, I will not.
I do not.
Though the cords of the wicked ensnare me, I do not forget your law.
At midnight.
At midnight I rise to praise you because of the wicked who forsake your law. I am a companion of all who fear you, of those who keep your precepts. The earth, O Lord, is full of your steadfast love. Teach me your statutes. You have dealt well with your servant, O Lord, according to your word. Teach me good judgment and knowledge, for I believe in your commandments. Before I was afflicted, I went astray, but now I keep your word. You are good and do good. Teach me your statutes. The godless besmear me with lies, but with my whole heart I keep your precepts.
Their heart.
Their heart is gross like fat, but I delight in your law. It is good for me that I was afflicted, that I might learn your statutes. The law of your mouth is better to me than thousands of gold and silver pieces. Your hands have made and fashioned me. Give me understanding that I may learn your commandments. Those who fear you shall see me and rejoice, for I have hoped in your word. I know, O Lord, your judgments are right, and that in faithfulness you have afflicted me.
Let your
mercy come to me. Let your mercy come to me, O Lord.
Let your mercy be ready.
Let your mercy be ready to comfort me. Let your mercy be ready to comfort me. Let your mercy be ready to comfort me according to your promise. Let your compassion come to me that I may live and observe your word. Let the godless be put to shame, because they have subverted me with guile. As for me, I will meditate on your precepts. Let those who fear you turn to me, that they may know your testimonies. May my heart be blameless in your statutes, that I may not be put to shame. My soul languishes for your salvation. I hope in your words. My eyes fail with watching for your promise. I ask, when will you comfort me? For I have become like a wineskin in the smoke, yet I have not forgotten your law.
How long?
How long must your servant endure? When will you persecute? When will you judge those who persecute me? The godless men have dug pitfalls for me. Men who do not conform to your law.
All your
commandments are sure. They persecute me with falsehood. Help me. They have almost made an end of me on earth. But I have not forsaken your statutes.
In your
mercy spare my life, that I may know the testimonies of your mouth. Forever, O Lord, your words are firmly fixed in the heavens. Your faithfulness endures to all generations. You have established the earth, and it stands fast. By appointment they stand this day, for all things are your servants. For all things are your servants. Yeah, you are.
If your law,
If your law had not been my delight, I would have perished in my affliction. I will never forget your precepts, for by them you have given me life.
I am yours.
I am yours. Save me, for I am yours. Save me, for I have sought your precepts. I am yours. Save me, for I have sought your precepts.
The wicked,
The wicked lie in wait to destroy me, but I do not. But the wicked lie in wait to destroy me, but I do not stray from your precepts. The wicked lie in wait to destroy me, but I do not stray from your precepts. I have seen a limit to all perfection, but your commandment is exceedingly broad. Oh, how I love your law! Oh, how I love your law! It is my meditation all the day. Your commandment makes me wiser than my enemies, for it is ever with me. I am more understanding than all my teachers. For your testimonies are my meditation. I understand more than the aged, for I keep your precepts. I hold back my feet from every evil way in order to keep your word. I will not turn aside from your ordinances, for you have taught me. How sweet are your words to my taste, sweeter than honey to my mouth. Through your precepts I get understanding, therefore I hate every false way. Your word is a lamp to my feet and light to my path. I have sworn an oath and confirmed it, to observe your righteous ordinances. I am sorely afflicted. Deliver me according.
give me life.
I am sorely afflicted. Give me life according to your promise. I am sorely afflicted. Give me life according to your word. Accept my offerings of praise. Accept my offerings of praise. And accept my offerings of praise.
O Lord,
Accept my offerings of praise, O Lord, and teach me your statutes. I hold my life in my hand continually, but I do not forget your law. The wicked have laid a snare for me, but I do not stray from your precepts. Your testimonies are my heritage. Yes, they are the joy of my heart. I incline my heart to perform your statutes forever to the end. I hate double-minded men. But I love your law. You are my hiding place and my shield. I hope in your words. Depart from me, you evildoers, that I may keep the commandments of my God. Uphold me according to your promise. Give me life, uphold me according to your promise, and give me life. Let me not be put to shame in my home. Hold me up that I may be safe, and have regard for your statutes continually. You spurn all who go astray from your statutes. Yes, their cunning is vain. All the wicked of the earth you count as dross.
therefore,
I love your testimony. All the wicked of the earth you count as dross. Therefore, I love your testimonies. My flesh trembles for fear of you, and I am afraid of your judgments. I have done what is just and right. Do not leave me to my oppressors. Be surety for your servant for good. Let not the godless oppress me. My eyes fail with watching for your promise and for the fulfillment of my eyes fail with watching for your salvation and for the fulfillment of your righteous promise. Deal with your servant Deal with your servant according to your steadfast love, O Lord, and teach me your statutes.
I am
yours. Give me understanding that I am your servant. Give me understanding that I may know your testimonies. Me understanding that I may know your testimonies. It is time for the Lord to act, for your law has been broken. I love your commandments above gold, above fine gold. I direct my steps by all your precepts. Therefore I direct my steps by all your precepts. I hate every false way. Your testimonies are wonderful. Their testimonies are wonderful. Therefore my soul keeps them. The unfolding of your words imparts understanding to the simple. With open mouth I pant, because I long for your commandments. You are righteous, O Lord, and right are your judgments. With open mouth I pant, because I long for your commandments. Turn to me and be gracious to me, as you always do to those who love your name. Keep steady my steps according to your promise, and let no iniquity get dominion over me. Redeem me from man's oppression. Redeem me from man's oppression, that I may live.
that I may keep.
Redeem me from man's oppression, that I may keep your precepts. Redeem me from man's oppression, that I may keep your precepts. Make your face shine upon your servant. Make your face shine upon your servant, and teach me your statutes. My eyes shed streams of tears, because men do not keep your law. You are righteous, O Lord, and right are your judgments. You have appointed your testimonies in righteousness and in all faithfulness. My zeal consumes me, because my foes forget your words. Your promise is well tried, and your servant loves it. I am small and despised, yet I do not forget your
Precepts.
Yet I do not forget your precepts.
Your righteousness.
Your righteousness is righteous forever, and your law is true. Your righteousness is righteous forever, and your law is true. Trouble and anguish have come upon me, but your commandments are my delight.
Your
Your
testimonies
testimonies
are
Your testimonies are righteous forever. Your testimonies are righteous forever. Your testimonies are righteous forever. Give me life according to your promise.
with
With my whole heart I cry. Answer me, O Lord. I will keep your statutes. I cry to you, save me. I cry to you, save me.
that
I cry to you, save me, that I may keep your precepts. I rise before dawn and cry for help. I rise before dawn and cry for help. I hope in your words. My eyes are awake before the watches of night, that I may meditate upon your promise. Hear my voice in your steadfast love, O Lord.
your justice.
Hear my voice in your steadfast love, O Lord. In your justice, preserve my life. They draw near who persecute me with evil purpose. They are far from your law, but you are near, O Lord. And all your commandments are you are near, O Lord, and all your commandments are true. Long have I known your testimony, that you have appointed them for. Long have I known your testimony, that you have founded them forever. Look on my affliction and deliver me, for I do not forget your commandments. Look on my affliction and deliver me, for I do not forget your commandments. Plead my cause and redeem me. Plead my cause and redeem me. Give me life according to your promise. Salvation is far from the wicked, for they do not seek your statutes. Great is your mercy, O Lord. Give me life according to your justice. Many are my persecutors and my adversaries, but I do not swerve from your testimonies. Many are my persecutors and my adversaries, but I do not swerve from your testimonies. I look at the faithless with disgust, for they do not keep your commands. Consider how I love your precepts. Preserve my life according to your steadfast love. Consider how I love your precepts. Preserve my life according to your steadfast love.
The sum.
The sum of your word is truth. The sum of your word is truth, and everyone who endures. The sum of your word is truth, and everyone of your righteous ordinances endures forever. Princes persecute me without cause, but my heart stands in awe of your words. I rejoice at your word, like one who finds great spoil. I hate and abhor falsehood, but I love your law. 7 times a day I praise you for your righteous ordinances. Great peace have those who love your law. Nothing can make them stumble.
I hope
I hope in your salvation, and I hope in your salvation, O Lord, and I do keep your commandments. I keep your testimonies, and I love them exceedingly. Let my cry come before you, O Lord. Let my cry come before you, O Lord.
give me
Give me understanding let my cry come before you, O Lord. Give me understanding according to your promise. Let my cry come before you, O Lord. Give me understanding according to your promise. Let my supplication come before you. Let my supplication come before you. Deliver me according to your word. My lips will pour forth praise. My lips will pour forth praise. My lips will pour forth praise. That my lips will pour forth praise, that you teach me your precepts. My tongue will sing of your word. For all your commandments are right. I long for your salvation, and I long for your salvation.
and your law.
I long for your salvation, and your law is my delight. Let my soul live, that I may praise you, and let your ordinances help me. I've gone astray like a lost sheep. Seek your servant, for I do not forget your commandments.
Wow, good job, Samuel. Good job. Wonderful. You did very well, okay? So we are so proud of you. Amma and Appa is so proud of you. And you will get a special gift from us on Easter. Even Daniel will get, because he also has finished his challenge. And Ruth and Teresa also will get once they finish their challenge. And we encourage each of you to take up your challenges seriously and memorize as many Bible verses as possible. Congratulations, Samuel. Good job. Thank you for watching The Living Waters. If you are here for the first time, please hit the subscribe button. If you have any comments, feedback, suggestions or prayer requests, email us at info@thelivingwaters.life or WhatsApp at the below mentioned number. We would love to hear from you. God bless you all. Thank you.